Today I'm going to be applying Nasiol GlasShield to the front windshield of this, what is this? GMC Sierra. Oh, you can tell I do a lot of detailing. This is a super easy to apply, fast to apply, efficient ceramic coating, rain repellent for any glass surfaces. I even put them on the inside of side windshields. It works really well for that to make it rain repellent and hydrophobic also. One thing I'm going to preface this with, because the video of this is really short because it's really easy to apply. If you have anything, and I do mean anything, on your glass, use a glass polish before you apply this product. So if you have old Rain-X, if you have a lot of film on there, if you have water spots, if you have anything at all, any sort of protectant surface, ceramic spray sealant on the glass, make sure to use a cerium oxide glass polish. Just do it by hand would be totally sufficient if you don't have a machine before you apply the glass coating, because it will not bond as well. Use a prep product. Isopropyl alcohol is better than nothing, but using a dedicated ceramic prep product like this is ceramic coating prep to wipe down the glass before you put the coating on, you'll just get a better bond. It'll last longer. So that being said, I don't want to be the talking head for like 30 minutes. I'm just going to show you how to apply Nasiol GlasShield. Very simple, inexpensive, easy to apply, and effective ceramic glass coating.